How's it going, everybody? Hope y'all doing well. I'm Isaiah Hwang, and in today's kids art class, I'm going to teach you how to draw Chimmy from BT21. So let's get into it. Okay, so to start off, we're going to draw a circle. And this circle is going to be a little bit flatter on the bottom. And then it's going to be a little bit more pointy on the top. Okay. And then we're going to draw the eyes. So the eyes are right about in the center point. We're going to be right here. So one eye and then center point. So you should have that. And then the nose right below it. And then the mouth, just going to do a little happy face, smile, and then we're going to do a U shape, like this. And then one little line down here. Okay, once we get here, he has this little hood that's on, so it goes kind of like this, and it comes out. So we're going to start right about here, and we're just going to draw down. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to draw down. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to curve out a little bit, and then we're going to come right back in. So we curve out a little bit, and then we come right back in. And we go all the way down. Okay, same thing on this side. We curve out a little bit, and then we come all the way in, and then we can connect it this way. Okay, and don't worry if you have little mistakes here and there, it's totally cool. Alright, once we get to this part, we're going to draw the ears. So the ears start here, and they just come right down and pop right back in. So I'm going to start right here, comes out, and then comes right back in. Okay, same thing on this side, comes out, and pops right back in. Okay, and if you want, I guess we can color. Alright, now we're going to draw the arms and the body. So Chimmy's arms should come down just like this right here. So it's probably about this wide. So we're going to start right here, and we're just going to come out, and we're just going to stop just like that. Okay, and then same thing on this side, right here, come out, and then we're going to stop right here, just like that. Okay, now the body, it should come out about maybe this long. So make sure the feet end right about here. Okay, so we want the feet to end here, and then we want his body to be, let's see, about, so from here, you want to come out and you want to just do a little line that comes out like this. Okay, same thing on this side, from here, come out, and then come back in. And then we just draw the feet. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. And finally, just come straight up. And then he also has these little strings. And then one more string. And after you do that, what you want to do is you want to do the hands. So just draw a line. One more line right here. And you got Chimmy. And there you have it, Chimmy from BT21. Thanks for watching. Try to see you next time. Remember to let your light shine. Bye.